Hey guys, this is Chesotersky. Now it's 4:08 a.m. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Bluestacks, which is an Android emulator for Windows, Macs and Linux if you have, and install an application, especially Android application, to the Bluestacks. If you hear fan sound, sorry for that. Now go to your browser of your choice and now search for Bluestacks. And then press the main title of Bluestacks, fastest Android emulator for PC and Mac. And after that, go to download Bluestacks 5. Which is already have here. After you install the installer, press and allow the user account control, and then after you install you will get this. It have 583 megabytes of the Android image plus 70 megabytes of the application itself. And then after that, after you install, just launch. Wait for it. This is the user interface of Bluestacks, which is tablet-like user interface. You have Play Store, and then you have system apps. Click it. We have camera, settings, Chrome, and media manager, I suppose to be. But before that, go to the hamburger menu beside the minimize window for Windows 10. Beside minimize icon, there is a hamburger or 3-line menu. Press it. Go to settings, which is the gear one. You can find at the side, at the right side here at the sidebar. So I allocated the CPU cores to 4, and I use custom because it is between medium and high, and leave the option for frame rates according for what you need. For display, it is recommended what does the application say to you. For my laptop, it just 1600 pixel by 900 pixel. For graphics section, you have graphic engine, compatibility, or performance. So I choose the performance, but actually it is chosen default. This is chosen default also. Graphic renderer, OpenGL, or DirectX. This one only focus on graphics, but this one includes multimedia enhancement through graphic rendering. So I just choose OpenGL because this is the default, and these other two, interface renderer and ASTC texture, is default as it is like this, which is I don't touch. And GPU in use is also the option that I not touch. Preference, just leave it, nothing excited here. Device setting, just there are device profile and network provider. Just choose which one do you like. There are a sort of devices from Samsung, OnePlus, LG, Google Pixel and Asus. But if you are offline, this section that named device setting would be visible to you, won't be visible. Next will be at advanced section, which is you gonna see the application binary interface. That means what type of application you can install on this emulator. So for my computer it is x86 32 and 64-bit, ARM 32 and 64-bit, and this one for debug it is off by default, and this input debugging, these two options are off by default, just leave it. And this is my version of Bluestacks 5.0.110.1001 64-bit Android. Because I don't do any changes, so there is no highlighted for these save changes. Beside from here, the hamburger menu and then the settings, you can find the settings on the bottom right side here. The gear one says settings. So let's grab an APK so you can see this APK sign. It says install APK. I'm gonna install one. There we go. Or you can open your file manager or file browser or whatever its name, and then open to the APK, to the directory where your APK is located. So example, I take this after class and I install. Once again, go to the directory where your APK, where you have downloaded your APK. Click, hold, and drag to the Bluestack. There you go. Once again, there are two methods. The first one is to press the APK icon on the right side of the toolbar here. And press and get to the directory of your downloaded APK and click it and it will install. Like so. Or you can open your file manager or file browser, go to the directory where you have downloaded your applications, click, hold, and drag it to the Bluestack. There we go. Your application has been installed. So now I have installed 4 applications. So you can install the other if you have downloaded many applications to the emulator itself. So let's test it out. (9:22). It is my worst and most frequent nightmare. 9:22, the clock says. 9:22. I'm in an unfamiliar room I have familiarized myself with. I have to get up. I have to launch myself out of bed. I have to fish for my flip-flops, only to remember that last night I tossed them to the other side of the room. My brain registers I'm freezing moments after my paws hits the floor. Holy moly. First period started at 9, second period will start at 10, both are at Doherty Hall, 12 minutes away. The clock blinks 9:24. So that's all that I want to show you.